Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the GOAT Sneakers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then scroll down and look for the notifications button and click on that. And as you can see, there are many options that you can set to be notified on. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want, and then just click on the save button at the top of the page on the right to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.